Alright, just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I'm trying to do this, do these sections off in pieces and parts. So let's see, what I've done is I have actually taken, glued the sides on, glued the top on, for all the outlets. I'm actually putting in a grounding bus. And I attach that with, just drilling a hole through each one and then tighten them up with some set screws to basically just set that guy in place. The wiring, this side is completely done. As you can see, I've got the one power in. This one's going into my outlet here, out of the outlet into the first bus. Goes into a fuse, then from the fuse into the outlet, from the outlet to the bus. And all I'm doing is just using the bridge. You've got two screws, for your positive and your negative. The ground is just grounded with two pieces, one coming in, one coming out. The way I stay grounded. And I went ahead and I used the fuse for this outlet as well, just to give it a little bit of safety. And then the bottom one, again, going into the outlet. From the outlet, coming all the way down, going to snake all the way up here. This is my negative bus for this side. This is my positive bus for this side. I also got to wire him in. Again, I'm still waiting on my piece from China here. I've already done some pre-wiring as far as this bunch of cables goes. All these are going to be going up into my first box. Then I'll have another set of wires for this that's going to go up into this side of the box. So I'm trying to keep it simple and easy, where my negative and ground are going to be run off the sides. Like you can see here, I've got the ground coming in, coming out. It's being attached to this ground, which is going down, and I'm running them both off to the side. They're going to come up on this side because this is my negative side. I'm going to run all of the negative lines, all of the neutral lines into here. So they're going to run from this bus up into here. From here, they're going to go to each one of the connections that are on it. So I'm going to have a total of 8 going in. Then off each one of these guys, 8 coming in and one ground coming out. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are going to travel straight across here and plug into the bus. My positives, I'm going to have 8 lines going in on this one, 8 lines going in on this one. And then again on this side, I'm going to have 8 of the negatives, which are going to run down and through right here to this negative bus. This side, again, negative, we're going to run straight down and over to my negative bus. Again, on each one of the bottom ones, I'll have a ground wire that comes here, 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 and here, and they're all going to connect to the bus, same thing as here. And then the same thing as what this one is the same thing as what this one is. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up and showing you where I'm at. Oh, if you can, I just pointed that out. See these, I've got little clear rubber pads for the bottom so I don't scratch the plastic, even though I still have the paper on it. But as you can see, I'm starting to take off a lot of it so I can get the stuff final work in. Some of you guys that are plexiglass experts have probably noticed that I haven't taken the, as far as the corners go, because I used an acrylic glue on it. If I take a blowtorch, which I will, I can actually make this line literally disappear. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to do it in plexiglass, because as you can see, you can see the line. But with a blowtorch, I take a blowtorch to the sides, and it's just a touch. It's just going right along. You're just smoothing this edge out. You literally make it disappear. So that's what the professionals do and everything else. So that's what we'll do. So my next shot, I should have hopefully this in. If not, it's not a deal breaker. I will be starting to wire these guys in, which is my next bit. So thanks for I'll edit this part out, but that's okay. Cool. Until next time.